Okay, let us start this question. Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 dash dash will be 124 and its 21st term? Means it says question says that we have the AP 3, 15, 27, 39. Here there is one AP which is 120 more than the 21st term. 21st term is A21. So some term is there which is 120 more than 21st term. So first we want to find the 21st term. So A21 is equal to A plus 20D. So according to this, what do we have over A? 3. D is 15 minus 3. That is 12. Okay. So substitute here. A21 is equal to 3 plus 20 into 12. So this becomes 3 plus 240. So this becomes 243. So A21 is equal to 243. Then next after this we have, after finding the 21st term, next we have to see, he's telling that we have got the term which is 120 more than the 21st term. So 120 more than the 21st term means there is some an. So therefore some term an is there which is 120 more than 21st term. So this is 120 more than 21st term is 243. Therefore the answer will become 3, 6, 363. So we have got one term which is 363. So that is an is equal to 363. So some place here there is 363 here. So which place that is that we have to find. So what is that we can do now? Just we have to find the n. So how do we do? Just we will take this one. Okay. Therefore we have an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now we know the nth term is 363. Now we need to find the which place it is. So we will write 363 is equal to a plus n minus 1 into 12. Shift the 3 this side. 363 minus 3 is equal to n minus 1 into 12. So 360 is equal to n minus 1. That 12 comes down here. 12 ones are 12 ones are 0. So 30 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore, n is equal to 30 plus 1. This one comes this side. So n is equal to 34. So which term is there? 31. 31st term is there, which is double check 363. So first term is 3. Second term is 15. Third term is 27. Fourth term is 39. Like that, we have 31st term is 363, which is 120 more than 21st term. Next question. See, before coming to the next question, let us start with the sum of the AP. Sum of the terms of the AP. Suppose I have now 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus dash dash dash. Suppose the answer is I'm getting total. If I get the answer total, I'm getting the answer is equal. Just we will add up and see. 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10. If I add all these numbers, whatever I'm getting that is called as the sum of these terms. First term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term. Like that. If I add all these numbers, I'm getting that sum of the terms. So Sn is equal to 1 plus whatever addition I'm getting the result. So just let us add and see. 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 6 21, 22 plus 7 28, 28 plus 2 36, 36 plus 9 45, 45 plus 10 55. Sn is 55. But here, like we got an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Like that, we have a Sn formula. So how are you going to find the Sn formula is we have Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is my SN formula, where n is the nth term, a is the first term, d is the common difference. So this formula we have to use, and we can further find the, okay, we can further find that using this at that one. So let us start with the first one, first question. Let me start with the sum of n terms. Yes. Sum of n terms of an AP. What is sum of n terms of an AP? Suppose I have n terms of an AP means if I take the natural number, sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So now if I ask you to find the sum of natural numbers, find the sum of natural numbers. How do you create an AP? First you need to create an AP, that is 1 plus 2 plus 3. So on. Now, if I'm having this one, first is 1, second one is 2, 1 plus 1, I'm getting 2. So, this preceding number of 2 means the previous number. Preceding number means previous number of 2 is 1, that is 1 less than 2. Then the preceding number of 3 is 2, that is 1 less than 2. Like that, preceding number of 4 is 3, 1 less than 4. Like that, if my nth term is there, that's preceding number will be n minus 1. Okay, so my nth term became a n here. Okay, now we will find a is equal to 1, d is equal to 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a. Substitute in the formula, what we get the answer? 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So what I will write in the place of n, I will write n only because we have to find the sum of n natural numbers. So what we get is n is equal to n by 2 into 2 into 1 plus n minus 1 into 1. So what do you get? N by 2 into 2 plus n minus 1. So here we get that is equal to n by 2. 2 minus 1 is 1 plus n. So even I can write Sn is equal to n by 2 into this 1 plus n can be written as n plus 1. Just to have reversed. Therefore, the Sn formula for natural numbers is n by 2 into n plus 1. Okay, this is the formula developed for the sum of natural numbers. One more formula is there when you're finding the natural sum, when you're finding the sum Sn when last term is given. When last term is given. So what you will find? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus L. So L is what? L is the last term. So this is one more formula. The first formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into 2. This is another formula. Okay, next. Now, given here is given question here given is a is equal to 8, an is equal to 62, Sn is equal to n equal to 10, find n and d. So what we do that? Let's start the solution. A is 8, n is 62. So just we will write an is equal to 8 plus n minus 1 into d. We don't know this d. So this is the d we don't know. And also we don't know the n. And also don't know, d also don't know. So what are we going to do? We are going to just substitute. 62 is equal to 8, a value is 8, plus n minus 1 into d. Just to keep this as it is, what we get the answer is. This is n minus 1 into d. So 62 is given. 62 minus 8, I'll shift the 8 side. 62 minus 8 is equal to n minus 1 into d. B. What do you get the answer here? 62 minus 8 will be 54. Yes, 54 is equal to n minus 1 into B. Next, we have got Sn. Actually, we have got the last term, Sn, A and N. So Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So Sn is 210 is equal to n by 2 into 8 plus last term is 62. An is also called as a last term. Okay. So now cross multiply this, what you get? 420 is equal to 8n plus. Here we can add this both of the numbers. 62 plus 8 will become 70, 70, and therefore 420 is equal to 70. You bring it down, and 7 ones are 7 ones are. Therefore, what do we get? Therefore, we get n is equal to 6. So when we got n is equal to 6 here, we can get substitute and find the value of p. So 54 is equal to n minus 1 into t. N value is 6. We got 54 is equal to 6 minus 1 into d. 6 minus 1 is 5. Bring that 5 below 54. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 54 is equal to 5d. D is equal to 54 by 5. So this is how we got D value and N value. Next question. So this is given. The sum of fourth and eighth term of an AP is 24. Means the solution stands like this. Sum of means what? Plus. Plus of what? Fourth term. Fourth term is A4. Plus eighth term is A8. Is 24. And the sum of sixth term and the 10th term is 34. Sum of sixth term and 10th term is 34. Find the first term A and the common difference D. We have to find the two things. Now you write A4 can be written as A plus 3D plus A8 can be written as A plus 70 is equal to 24. So this becomes 1a plus 1a will become 2a plus 7 plus 3 will become 10d is equal to 24. Now divide throughout by 2, you will get the why we have to divide means to simplify this into small equation to get a small equation. So divide by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. 3 plus 5d is equal to 12. Name this as equation 1. Then come down to the next equation. A6 plus A10 is equal to 34. So what is A6? A plus 5D plus A plus 9D is equal to 34. 1A plus 1A, 2A plus 14D is equal to 34. Then divide again by 2. A plus 70 is equal to 70. So this is my second equation. So solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 2. So what I get? A plus 5D is equal to 12. A plus 7D is equal to 17. Now try to simplify. Cancel. 7 minus 5 will become 7 minus 5 will become 2. 2D. Bigger sign minus. 17 minus 12 will become 5 minus 5. So therefore D is equal to minus 5 by 2. So D is equal to minus divided by minus will become plus 5 by 2. So this is D is equal to 5 by 2. I can substitute here. Put D is equal to 5 by 2 in equation 1 or 2. So A plus 5 into 5 by 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, A plus 25 by 2 is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 minus 25 by 2. Take the LCM. 12 is the 24 minus 25. Therefore, A is equal to minus 1, right? This is the answer. So, find the sum of all the three-digit natural numbers which are divisible by 9. Three-digit numbers which are divisible by 9 means we have to start the first three-digit number. First three-digit number will be 100, but 100 is not divisible by 9. So 100, before 100 which is divisible by 9, 99. So 99 you add 9, how much you will get? 108. So next number which is divisible by 9 is 108. Then plus 9 you add 108 plus 9 will become 117. Like that you will get an AP. Last digit, three-digit number will be take. Usually it is understood that 999 is divisible by 9 because we'll get 111 in the answer. 111 into 9 will give me 999. So last number is 999. Now we can find the uh, and find the number of terms. Number of which this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. How many numbers are there? Therefore, we know the last term En is equal to E plus n minus 1 into D. So En is 999 is equal to 108 plus n minus 1 into 117. Bring the 999 beside. What do you get? 999 minus 108, 891. So 891, bring the 108 beside 891 is equal to n minus 1 into 117. Bring the 117 down. 891 divided by 117 is equal to n minus 1. Okay. Then afterwards, here, sorry, your difference is 9. Your difference is 9. n minus 1 into 9. By mistake, I have written 117. This is 9. So here also we'll get the D difference is 9. So always we can need to write the basic here, so we will not make any mistake. D is equal to 9. So 9 ones are 9 nines are 81. How much is remaining? Again 8 is remaining. 9 nines are 81. Therefore 99 is equal to n minus 1. Therefore n is equal to 99 plus 1. Therefore n is equal to 100. So how many terms are there? 100 terms are there inside this. In between this 80 from 102 to 990. Next question. How many numbers lie between 10 and 300 which when divided by 4 leaves the remainder 3? Means first number is 8. 8 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8. Totally divisible. So remainder 3 means you should take one number less which is divisible, which is having the number remainder as 3. Means for example, now if I take 11, if I take the next number 11, if I divide this by 4, 4 twos are 8. How much is remaining? 3. So if I want to take the digit which is divisible by 4 and leaving remainder 3 means I should take the number after 10. That will be the first number will be 11. Next number which is divisible by 4 is 12. 12 is completely divisible by 4. 4 3s are 12. If so, I have taken the number 11. So I've got the first number 11. Next, which is divisible by 4 is 4 4s are 16. 16, 4 4s are 16. If I take this 16, this is completely divisible. So I will take one number behind that. What is that? 15. So if I divide 15 by 4, I will get 4 3s are 12. The remainder is 3. So this is how we are going to check whether it is divisible by 3 and the remainder is 3. So next number will be 4 to the 8, 4 to the 12, 4 to the 16, 4 5 is 20. 20 is divisible by 4. 4 5 are 20. So what is the concept here? Pick one number less than 20. So 19 is divisible by 4. 4 4 are 16. 3 remainder. So we are getting 3 remainder. Next number is 19. So here 300 is there. 300 is completely divisible by 4. So 300 is divisible by 4 means which is the number you will take out? 300 is completely divisible by 4. 4 sevens are 28. 2 remaining, 4 fives are 20. So this is completely divisible. So which is one number less than 300 it is 297. Sorry, 299. Because here you see 12 is divisible by 4. So remainder 3 means it should be one number less. 4, 11. Similarly here 16 is divisible by 4. One number less means it should become 15. This is the trick of finding out the number which is divisible by 11, remaining the remainder. Sorry, divisible by 4, leaving the remainder 3. Now you got an AP here. Now you can find the how many numbers lie means what you have to find, n you have to find. So an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. So an is what? 299 is equal to 11 plus n minus 1 into t. Difference is how much? 4. Okay, 15 minus 11, the answer is 4. 19 minus 15, the answer is 4. Difference is 4. 299 minus 11 is equal to n minus 1 into 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus 1, 8, 2 is equal to that 4 you get it down here is equal to n minus 4. 4 sevens are 28, 4 2s are 8. Therefore, 72 is equal to n minus 1. 72 plus 1 is equal to n. Therefore, n is equal to 73. So, here main key concept is if it is telling divisible by 4, remainder 3 means if you take the number which is completely divisible by 4, one number less than that number. 12 less 1, 16 less 15, 20 less 19 like that. Okay, next. Sum of first three terms of an AP. Sum of first three terms of an AP. We are going to come to this. See, if I want to find the AP terms, we know that what are the AP terms we have got? A minus D, A plus D. These are the three AP terms. If I am getting four AP terms, so we have got the procedure of finding the AP terms which are in AP. The known terms which are in AP, we are going to consider the general form that is A minus D, A plus D. This is the three terms which are we going to consider in the next question. The sum of first three terms of an AP. First three terms of an AP is 33 means let the first three terms be A minus D, A plus D. Sum of the first three terms means this three terms sum plus this. Let me put it in the next step. If I take the sum of these are the three terms. If I take sum of this, therefore its sum is equal to A minus D plus A plus A plus D. Sum of the three terms of an AP is equal to 33. So this is first term, this is second term, this is third term. Sum of terms is 33. Plus D minus D cancel. 1A plus 1A plus 1A will become 3A is equal to 33. A is equal to 33 by 3. The answer will be 11. Therefore, A is equal to 11. Now, after getting A is equal to 11, he is telling if the product of the first and third term exceeds the second term by 29, means product of first and third term. What is first term? A minus B. Third term, A plus B. A minus D into A plus D exceeds the second term by 29. Exceeds the second term. Second term exceeds means always I say. It is like you are going is equal to second term A2 by 29. Exceeds means this term is 29 more than the second term. Okay. So here we got A square minus D square, because this is in the form A plus B2 minus B is equal to A2 plus 29. So we can substitute the value of A here. Second term is A2. Second term means from product of the first and the third term exceeds the second term by 29. So find the A. So here we got A value 11. After that we are getting A minus A. Now what is our second term here? Already it is given as A. So what we will do here? Substitute in this. So what will be A square minus D square is equal to A plus 29. Can we put the value of A from here? So 11 square minus D square is equal to 11 plus 29. 121 minus D square is equal to 40. So what you get here? 121 minus 40 is equal to D square. Shifted this part to this side. So 121 minus 40 will be 81 is equal to D square. D is equal to plus or minus 2. So after taking D is equal to plus or minus 2, we have to take both. We have to take both. D is equal to plus 2 when D is equal to plus 2 and when D is equal to minus 2. Both the cases we have to solve and show the values. What are the values we are going to get? So let us solve here. Therefore, my AP terms are K minus D, A, K plus D. So what is my A? We got it as 11 minus 2, that is 9. This one is 11. K value is 11. This one is 11 plus 2, that is 13. Similarly, when D value is minus 2, A minus D, A, K plus. A minus D is, A minus D becomes 11 minus, this D value is minus 2. So in the place of D, you have to put minus 2, minus of minus 2. This minus is already here. D value is put to minus 2. So we'll get 11 plus 2. The answer is 13. A value is 11. A plus D is 11 minus 2. The answer is 9. So here 9, 11, 13. Here 13, 11, 9. That is all the difference.